हेलो एवरीवन, आशा करते हैं आप सभी अच्छे हैं। आज की इस क्लास में हम बात करेंगे सेंटेंस कंप्लीशन पार्ट 3। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले डिस्क्लेमर, द इमेजेस used in a slide deck are for educational purposes only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owners of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and have any concerns or issues, please contact us at sathi@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the images. Question number 1. Directions पढ़ लेते हैं। Each sentence in the questions has two blanks. Each blank indicates that something has been omitted. Below the sentence, 5 sets of words are given. Choose the set of words for each sentence that best fits into the meaning of the sentence as a whole. तो वाक्य है हमारा, For some years past, French governments had been dash and divided, and French parliaments had been incoherent and dash. दिए गए वाक्य में दो ब्लैंक्स दिए गए हैं, नीचे कुछ ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं। ऑप्शंस है हमारे इनआर्टिकुलेट रिस्पॉन्सिव, ऑप्शन 2 अनस्टेबल डोमिनेटिंग, थर्ड है हमारा वीक इनकोएट, 4 है मैनी फ्यू और 5th है हमारा वैसिलेटिंग इररिस्पॉन्सिबल। दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही चुनाव करके इन ब्लैंक्स को भरना है। सही चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड दिए जाएंगे। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपको चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है हमारा 3, वीक इनकोएट। सोल्यूशन की अगर बात करें, द टर्म वीक effectively conveys the idea that the French government lacks strength and stability during this period. This aligns with the notion of being divided, suggesting that the governments were not only ineffective but also unable to unite or present a coherent front. The use of inchoate to describe the parliaments further emphasizes their lack of development and clarity, indicating that they were not fully formed or organized in their functions. This choice paints a picture of a political landscape characterized by fragility and confusion. In contrast, the other options do not fit the context as well. For instance, inarticulate responsive suggests a lack of clarity but does not capture the essence of being divided or incoherent. Similarly, vacillating irresponsible implies indecision but does not directly relate to the incoherence of parliaments. The term weak and incoherent together succinctly encapsulate the challenges faced by the French political system, highlighting both the ineffectiveness of the governments and the disorganized nature of the parliaments. Thus, this option provides a coherent and accurate representation of the political situation described in the sentence. आशा करते हैं आप समझ चुके हैं। Question number 2. Directions. Each sentence in the questions has two blanks. Each blank indicates that something has been omitted. Below the sentence, 5 sets of words are given. Choose a set of words for each sentence that best fits into the meaning of a sentence as a whole. दिए गए वाक्य है, In architecture, much more than in any of other fine arts, there is a marked time lag between the dash of ideas and their dash in the shape of completed building. नीचे कुछ ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं। ऑप्शंस हैं सेटलमेंट, फ्रूशन, क्रिएशन, वेलकमिंग, ट्रेडिशन, मॉडर्नाइजेशन, डॉन, प्रैक्टिकेबिलिटी, इमरजेंस, एप्लीकेशन। दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही चुनाव करना है और इन ब्लैंक्स को भरना है। सही चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपका चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है 5, इमरजेंस एंड एप्लीकेशन। सॉल्यूशन की अगर बात करें, the sentence discusses a delay between the initial development of ideas and their eventual realization in the form of completed buildings. Emergence refers to the initial development or coming into existence of ideas and application. Refers to the practical implementation or use of these ideas in actual buildings. This set of words best fits the context of the sentence. आशा करते हैं आप समझ चुके हैं। अगले प्रश्न की ओर बढ़ते हैं। Question number 3. Directions. Each sentence in the questions has two blanks. Each blank indicates that something has been omitted. Below the sentence, five sets of words are given. Choose a set of words for each sentence that best fits into the meaning of the sentence as a whole. दिए गए वाक्य है into the limited space given him, a headline writer must compress the dash of the news and he must do it without dash. आशा करते हैं आप वाक्य समझ चुके हैं। नीचे कुछ ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं। ऑप्शंस हैं सिनॉप्सिस, रिजर्वेशंस, gist, ambiguity, magnitude, distortion, totality, hedging, bias, apology. आशा करते हैं ऑप्शन समझ चुके हैं। दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही चुनाव करके इन ब्लैंक्स को भरना है। सही चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपका चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है 2, जिस्ट एम्बिग्विटी। सोल्यूशन की अगर बात करें, सोल्यूशन है हमारा द सेंटेंस डिस्क्राइब्स द चैलेंज faced by a headline writer who must convey essential information within a limited space. The word just refers to the main point or essence of something, which is appropriate in this context, as the headline writer needs to capture the core message of the news succinctly. This choice emphasizes the importance of distilling the information to its most critical elements, which is essential for effective headline writing. The second part of the sentence requires a word that indicates what the headline writer must avoid while compressing the news. Ambiguity refers to the quality of being open to more than one interpretation or being unclear. In the context of writing headlines, it is crucial to avoid ambiguity to ensure that the message is clear and easily understood by readers. Together, gist and ambiguity highlight the necessity for clarity and precision in headline writing, underscoring the skill required to communicate effectively within constraints. आशा करते हैं आप समझ चुके हैं। अगले क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं। Question number 4. Directions. Each sentence in the questions has two blanks. Each blank indicates that something has been omitted. Below the sentence, five sets of words are given. Choose a set of words for each sentence that best fits into the meaning of the sentence as a whole. वाक्य है No matter how dash the Russians are or wish to appear, they, as well as we know, that to survive it is necessary to reach agreements which may dash mutual sacrifices. आशा करते हैं वाक्य समझ चुके हैं। नीचे कुछ ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं। ऑप्शंस है फैशियस, नेसेसिटेट, बेलिकोज, इवेड, रिफैक्टरी, ओब्लिटरेट, इंडिफरेंट, सबस्यूम, इंट्रांसिजेंट, एंटेल। आशा करते हैं ऑप्शन समझ चुके हैं। दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन को चुनाव करके इन ब्लैंक्स को भरना है। सही ऑप्शन को चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपका चुनाव सही है। सही उत्तर की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है हमारा 5, इंट्रांसिजेंट, एंटेल। सोल्यूशन की अगर बात करें, the sentence discusses the necessity of reaching agreement for survival, implying that both parties must be willing to make compromises. The word intransigent means unwilling to change one's views or to agree, which fits the context of the Russians wanting to appear strong or resolute. This suggests that despite their desire to project a certain image, they must acknowledge the reality of the situation, which requires negotiation and compromise. The second part of the sentence requires a word that indicates the nature of the agreements being discussed. Entail means to involve or require as a necessary part or consequence. This word effectively conveys that reaching agreements will involve mutual sacrifices. Together, intransigent and entail create a coherent statement about the complexities of international relations, highlighting the tension between the desire to appear strong and the necessity of making sacrifices for survival. आशा करते हैं आप समझ चुके हैं। अगले क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Directions. Each sentence in the questions has two blanks. Each blank indicates that something has been omitted. Below the sentence, five sets of words are given. Choose a set of words for each sentence that best fits into the meaning of the sentence as a whole. वाक्य है, इन एनालाइजिंग द डैश टीन एज पॉपुलेशन, Madison Avenue has decided that it is eminently receptive to the dash of advertising. आशा करते हैं आप वाक्य समझ चुके हैं। नीचे कुछ ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं। ऑप्शंस हैं proliferating, buncombe, ubiquitous, mystique, diminishing fantasy, burgeoning, blandishments, viable syndrome. आशा करते हैं आप ऑप्शन समझ चुके हैं। दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन को चुनाव करके इन ब्लैंक्स को भरना है। सही ऑप्शन को चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपका चुनाव सही है। सही आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर हमारा 4, बर्जनिंग ब्लैंडिशमेंट्स। सोल्यूशन की अगर बात करें, द सेंटेंस डिस्कसेस Madison Avenue's analysis of the teenage population, suggesting that this demographic is open to certain influences. The word burgeoning means growing or expanding rapidly, which accurately describes the teenage population as it is often characterized by its dynamic and evolving nature. This choice sets the stage for understanding how this group is perceived in terms of their receptiveness to advertising. The second part of the sentence requires a word that conveys the nature of advertising that appeals to this demographic. Blandishments refers to flattering or persuasive speech or actions. Particularly in the context of advertising, this term fits well as it implies that Madison Avenue believes that the teenage population is susceptible to the enticing and persuasive tactics used in advertising. Together, burgeoning and blandishments effectively capture the essence of the relationship between the growing teenage population and the strategies employed by advertisers to engage them. आशा करते हैं आप समझ चुके हैं। अगले क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं। Question number 6. Directions. Each sentence in the question has two blanks. Each blank indicates that something has been omitted. Below the sentence, 5 sets of words are given. Choose a set of words for each sentence that best fits into the meaning of the sentence as a whole. तो वाक्य है हमारा, Hungarians may grumble about the difficulty of acquiring cars, but they point quickly to a compensation. The dash look of their tree-lined avenues and the absence of dash exhaust fumes. आशा करते हैं वाक्य समझ चुके हैं। नीचे कुछ ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं। ऑप्शन से काम, सुपरफ्लोस, ऑट्यूज, पॉइजनस, ट्रैंक्विल, कॉपियस, एनोमेलस, फेटिड, ऑल्दो, निगार्डली। आशा करते हैं आप ऑप्शन समझ चुके हैं। दिए गए ऑप्शन में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करके इन ब्लैंक्स को भरना है। सही ऑप्शन को चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपको चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है 4, एनोमेलस फेटिड। सोल्यूशन की अगर बात करें, द सेंटेंस डिस्कसेस अ कंपनसेशन फॉर द डिफिकल्टी ऑफ एक्वायरिंग कार्स इन हंगरी. The compensation related to the appearance of tree-lined avenues and the absence of something negative. The word anomalous, meaning unusual or out of the ordinary, fits well with the idea that the tree-lined avenues are a positive and distinctive feature. The word fetid, meaning having a foul smell, fits well with the idea of exhaust fumes, which are typically unpleasant. Therefore, anomalous and fetid best completes the sentence in a way that makes sense. आशा करते हैं आप समझ चुके हैं। अगले क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं। Question number 7. Directions. Each sentence in the questions has two blanks. Each blank indicates that something has been omitted. Below the sentence, 5 sets of words are given. Choose the set of words for each sentence that best fits into the meaning of the sentence as a whole. वाक्य है, in spite of all dash, in spite of penalties for examines when cheaters were caught, there is evidence of the dash of the rigid rules of external help on civil service tests. नीचे कुछ ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं। ऑप्शंस हैं threats, encompassment, surveillance, vulnerability. Third, temptation, flouting. Fourth है precautions, circumvention. Fifth है discouragement, acceptance. आशा करते हैं ऑप्शन समझ चुके हैं। दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करके इन ब्लैंक्स को भरना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपका चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है 3, टेम्पटेशन एंड फ्लाउटिंग। सॉल्यूशन की अगर बात करें, द सेंटेंस डिस्कसेस द persistence of cheating despite measures to prevent it. Temptation fits the context of why people might cheat despite the risk, and flouting fits the context of ignoring or breaking the rigid rules. Thus, in spite of all temptation, in spite of penalties for exams when cheaters were caught, there is evidence of flouting of the rigid rules of external help on civil service tests. Make the most sense. आशा करते हैं आप समझ चुके हैं। अगले प्रश्न की ओर बढ़ते हैं। Question number 8. Directions. Each sentence in the questions has two blanks. Each blank indicates that something has been omitted. Below the sentence, five sets of words are given. Choose a set of words for each sentence that best fits into the meaning of the sentence as a whole. तो वाक्य है, curiously enough, the very passages which set out to clarify only dash the details are served up in dash 3-page paragraphs which stupefy the reader. नीचे कुछ ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं। ऑप्शन है adumbrate, excessive, 2 obscure, succinct, 3 mystify, stimulating, 4 disturb, compact, 5 obfuscate, monolithic. आशा करते हैं ऑप्शन समझ चुके हैं। दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन को चुनाव करना है और इन ब्लैंक्स को भरना है। सही ऑप्शन को चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपका चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर इज 1, adumbrate, excessive. सॉल्यूशन की अगर बात करें, द सेंटेंस suggests that the passages intend to clarify actually end up doing the opposite. Adumbrate means to outline or sketch in a vague way, which fits the idea of failing to clarify. Second blank needs a word that describes the paragraphs as being overly detailed and overwhelming, which is excessive accurately conveys. Therefore, the set of words adumbrate, excessive best fits the meaning of the sentence as a whole. आशा करते हैं आप समझ चुके हैं। अगले प्रश्न की ओर बढ़ते हैं। Question number 9. Directions. Each sentence in the questions has two blanks. Each blank indicates that something has been omitted. Below the sentence, five sets of words are given. Choose a set of words for each sentence that best fits into the meaning of the sentence as a whole. वाक्य है, why should a university dash the values which are supposedly basic to its functioning and give an honorary doctorate to one who has not distinguished himself in an dash manner. नीचे कुछ ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं। ऑप्शन है डिफ्लेट, स्कॉलरली, फोरटेल, वर्डली, विलिफाई, कॉलेजिएट, एब्यूज, डॉक्ट्रिनेयर, डिबेस, एकेडमिक। आशा करते हैं आप ऑप्शन समझ चुके हैं। दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन को चुनाव करना है और इन ब्लैंक्स को भरना है। सही ऑप्शन को चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपका चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है 5, डिबेस, एकेडमिक। सोल्यूशन की अगर बात करें, द सेंटेंस क्वेश्चंस the integrity of a university that would compromise its core values by awarding an honorary doctorate to someone who has not excelled in a manner that aligns with academic standards. Analysis of options. 1. Deflate, scholarly. Deflate means to reduce or diminish, which does not fit the context of the university's values. Scholarly relates to academic work but does not convey the necessary critique. 2. Foretell, worldly. Foretell means to predict, which is unrelated to the context. Worldly refers to a practical or material matters, not academic achievement. 3. Vilify, collegiate. Vilify means to speak or write about in an abusively disparaging manner, which does not fit the context of the university's values. Collegiate relates to college but does not address the manner of distinction. Abuse and doctrinaire. Abuse implies misuse or mistreatment, which does not fit well with the context of values. Doctrinaire refers to a person who is dogmatic, which is not relevant here. Fifth, debase academic. Debase means to lower in quality or value, which fits perfectly with the idea of undermining the university's value. Academic directly relates to scholarly achievement, making this pairing coherent and relevant. Conclusion thus, 5. Debase an academic is the best choice as it accurately reflects the concern about a university compromising its values by awarding an honorary doctorate to someone who has not distinguished themselves in an academic manner. आशा करते हैं आप समझ चुके हैं। अगले क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं। Question number 10. Directions. Each sentence in the questions has two blanks. Each blank indicates that something has been omitted. Below the sentence, 5 sets of words are given. Choose a set of words for each sentence that best fits into the meaning of the sentence as a whole. Sentence है, the defense proposes to show that the incident that the prosecution so dash rejects as dash did indeed take place is indeed historical fact. नीचे कुछ ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं। ऑप्शंस है blithely undesirable, cavalierly apocryphal, cautiously factual, persuasively ignorance, positively inevitable. आशा करते हैं ऑप्शन समझ चुके हैं। दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन को चुनाव करके इन ब्लैंक्स को फिल करना है। ब्लैंक्स को फिल करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपका चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है 1 ब्रीथली अनडिजायरेबल। सॉल्यूशन की अगर बात करें, the sentence discusses how the defense intends to counter the prosecution's rejection of an incident, suggesting that the prosecution dismisses it in a carefree or unconcerned manner. Blithely carefree or unconcerned, showing a lack of proper concern. This word suggests that the prosecution dismissing the incident without serious consideration, which aligns with the context of the sentence. Undesirable, not wanted or wished for, not desirable. This term implies that the prosecution views the incident as something negative or not worth acknowledging, which fits the context of rejecting it. Other options की बात करें, 2. Cavalierly apocryphal. Cavalierly means dismissively, which fits, but apocryphal implies doubt about authenticity, which may not align with the prosecution's view of the incident as simply undesirable. Cautiously or factual. Cautiously contradicts the idea of rejection and factual does not fit the context. 4. Persuasively. Ignorance. Persuasively does not fit the context of rejection and ignorance does not relate to the incident being rejected. 5th. Positively inevitable. Positively suggests certainty, which does not align with the idea of rejection, and inevitable does not fit the context. Therefore, 1. Blithely undesirable will be a valid choice as it captures the essence of the prosecution's dismissive attitude towards the incident. आशा करते हैं आप समझ चुके हैं। अगले क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं। Question number 11. Directions: pick out the most effective word from the given words to fill in the blank to make the sentence meaningfully complete. Sentence: because of the heavy rain, the match was dash. नीचे कुछ ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं। ऑप्शंस हैं set aside, called off, fallen off, broken off, put off. दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन को चुनाव करके इस ब्लैंक को भरना है। ब्लैंक को भरने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपका चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है 2 कॉल्ड ऑफ। सॉल्यूशन की अगर बात करें, the phrase called off is commonly used to indicate that an event, such as a match, has been cancelled or postponed due to unforeseen circumstances, like heavy rain. The other options do not fit the context as well. First, set aside. This typically means to reserve something for later and does not imply cancellation. 3. Fallen off. This phrase is not used in the context and suggests something has physically dropped or decreased. 4. Broken off. This usually refers to something being interrupted or ended abruptly, but not specifically in the context of cancelling an event. 5. Put off. This means to postpone but it does not convey the same sense of cancellation as called off. Therefore, called off is the most appropriate choice. आशा करते हैं आप समझ चुके हैं। अगले क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं। Question number 12. Pick out the most effective word from the given words to fill in the blank to make the sentence meaningfully complete. So the sentence is, the judge acquitted the prisoner dash the charge of murder. नीचे कुछ ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं, from, about, with, of, to। दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन को चुनाव करके इस ब्लैंक को भरना है। सही ऑप्शन को चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपको चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है 4 ऑफ। सोल्यूशन की अगर बात करें, the sentence indicates that the judge found the prisoner not guilty regarding a specific charge. The preposition needed should indicate the relationship between the acquittal and the charge. Analysis of options. 1. From. This is incorrect. Acquitted from the charge is not a standard usage in legal context. 2. About. This is incorrect. Acquitted about the charge does not convey the intended meaning. 3. With. This is incorrect. Acquitted with the charge is not a proper construction. 4. Of. This is correct. Acquitted of the charge is the standard legal phrase used to indicate that someone has been found not guilty of a specific accusation. 5. 2. This is incorrect. Acquitted to the charge does not make sense in this context. Conclusion. Thus, the best choice is 4 of, as it correctly fits the context of the sentence. आशा करते हैं आप समझ चुके हैं। अगले क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं। Question number 13. Directions. Pick out the most effective word from the given words to fill in the blank to make the sentence meaningfully complete. Sentence है, usually the accent of mountain face is much easier than the dash. ऑप्शंस है, fall, descend, descent, descend, fall। दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन को चुनाव करके इस ब्लैंक को भरना है। सही ऑप्शन को चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपका चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर है 3, डिसेंट। सोल्यूशन की अगर बात करें, द सेंटेंस कंपेयर्स द ascent, the act of climbing up, to the opposite action, which is descending, the act of going down. Descent is the noun form that fits the context of the sentence, indicating that the act of descending, the other options do not fit correctly. 1. Fall. This refers to a sudden drop and does not convey the intended meaning. 2. Descent. This means something is acceptable or satisfactory, which is not relevant here. 4. Descend. This is a verb does not fit grammatically in the sentence. 5. Fall. This is repeated and also does not fit the context. Therefore, descend is the most appropriate choice. Question number 14. Directions. In each of the following questions, two sentences 1 and 2 are given. Each sentence has a blank in it. 5 words 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are suggested. Out of these, only one fits at both the places in the context of each sentence. Number of that word is the answer. Sentence 1. It is required that you fill out these two dash to register for the job. Sentence 2. This subject has many practical dash in day-to-day life. नीचे कुछ ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं, फॉर्म्स, एप्लीकेशंस, रेलेवेंस, स्टेटमेंट्स, व्यूज। दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन को चुनाव करके इन ब्लैंक्स को भरना है। सही ऑप्शन को चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपका चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है 2 एप्लीकेशंस। सोल्यूशन की अगर बात करें, in sentence 1, the context is about the requirement to complete certain documents in order to register for a job. The word that fits best in this context is forms, as it conveys the idea that a specific document need to be filled out as part of the registration process. In sentence 2, the context is about a subject that has practical uses or implementations in everyday life. The word applications fits well here as it suggests that the subject can be applied in various practical scenarios, demonstrating its usefulness and relevance. Therefore, the correct answer is two applications. This word appropriately fills in the blanks in both sentences, maintaining the intended meaning and context. Question number 15. Directions. Pick out the most effective word from the given words to fill in the blank to make the sentence meaningfully complete. Sentence है all the people involved in that issue feel a great dash to his suggestion. नीचे कुछ ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन एडहेरेंस इंडिफरेंस ऑब्जेक्शन रिपग्नेंस दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन को चुनाव करके इस ब्लैंक को भरना है सही ऑप्शन को चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा आपका समय शुरू होता है अब आशा करते हैं आपका चुनाव सही है करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं करेक्ट आंसर इज टू एडहेरेंस सोल्यूशन की अगर बात करें the word adherence means a commitment or attachment to a particular idea or suggestion. In the context of the sentence, it implies that all the people involved in the issue are committed to or supportive of his suggestion. Therefore, the most effective word to fill in the blank is adherence. The sentence should read, all the people involved in that issue feel a great adherence to his suggestion. Question number 16. Directions. In each of the following questions, two sentences 1 and 2 are given. Each sentence has a blank in it. 5 words 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are suggested. Out of these, only one fits at both the places in the context of each sentence. Number of that word is the answer. Sentence 1. Governments in these countries should create education systems since dash good schools, the bulk of people entering the workforce will not have the skills they need. Sentence 2. We cannot process color details of rapid changes in our surroundings. Dash the cone-shaped cells packed around the center of the retina. नीचे कुछ ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं लैक मिसिंग एफिशिएंट विदाउट एब्सेंस दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करके आपको इन ब्लैंक्स को भरना है सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा आपका समय शुरू होता है अब आशा करते हैं आपको चुनाव सही है करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं करेक्ट आंसर है 4 विदाउट सोल्यूशन की अगर बात करें इन बोथ सेंटेंसेस विदाउट fits perfectly and makes sense in the context. In sentence 1, it implies that in the absence of good schools, people will lack necessary skills. In sentence 2, it implies that the ability to process colors and details is not possible in the absence of cone-shaped cells. Therefore, the word that fits both blanks correctly is without. Question number 17. Pick out the most effective word from the given words to fill in the blank to make the sentence meaningfully complete. Sentence है We upset ourselves by responding in an dash manner to someone else's actions. नीचे कुछ ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं 1. Unabashed 2. Irrational 3. Arduous 4. Arguable 5. Invalid दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन को चुनाव करके इस ब्लैंक को भरना है सही ऑप्शन को चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा आपका समय शुरू होता है अब आशा करते हैं आपको चुनाव सही है करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं करेक्ट आंसर है 1. Unabashed सोल्यूशन की अगर बात करें in this context unabashed suggests that the response is bold and unapologetic which could lead to feelings of upset if the reaction is perceived as inappropriate or overly confident. This choice implies a lack of self consciousness in the response, which can indeed lead to conflict or emotional turmoil. In summary, unabashed is the correct in this context, but the choice of words should align with the intended meaning of the sentence. आशा करते हैं आप समझ चुके हैं अगले क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं Question number 18. Directions. In each of the following questions, two sentences 1 and 2 are given. Each sentence has a blank in it. 5 words 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are suggested. Out of these, only one fits at both the places in the context of each sentence, number of that word is the answer. Sentence 1. He was good at mathematics, so he could not fathom why other people cribbed about such an dash subject. Sentence 2. In a world so riddled with greed and corruption, where every man seems to be out to get another, it is not very dash to trust others. नीचे कुछ ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं, गुड, एक्साइटिंग, वाइज, इजी, इंटरेस्टिंग। दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करके आपको इन ब्लैंक्स को भरना है। सही ऑप्शन को चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपका चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है 4 इजी। सोल्यूशन की अगर बात करें, in sentence 1, the context is about someone who is proficient in mathematics and is puzzled as to why others find it difficult. The word that fits best in this context is easy, as it conveys the idea that the subject is straightforward and simple for him, making it hard for him to understand why others struggle with it. In sentence 2, the context is about a world filled with greed and corruption, making it challenging to trust others. The word easy fits well here too, as it suggests that in such a world, it is not a simple or straightforward to place trust in others. Therefore, the correct answer is 4 easy. This word appropriately fills in the blanks in both sentences, maintaining the intended meaning and context. आशा करते हैं आप समझ चुके हैं। आशा करते हैं आपने इस लेक्चर से काफ़ी कुछ सीखा। फिर से मुलाकात करेंगे किसी अन्य लेक्चर में। तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद।